Hello. You are on the Lingolands channel. Today, you will learn about using want and would like. Want is used to express a desire or wish for something. It's more direct and straightforward. Examples: I want a sandwich. She wants a new dress. He wants a book. Structure: positive, subject plus wants plus noun slash verb. I want a drink. He wants to play. Negative, subject plus do slash does not want plus noun slash verb. I don't want a drink. He doesn't want to play. Questions: do slash does plus subject plus want plus noun slash verb. Do you want a drink? Does he want to play? Would like is more polite and formal. It is often used in polite requests or offers. Examples: I would like a cup of tea. He would like a new bike. We would like to visit the museum. She would like to see the movie. Structure: positive, subject plus would like plus noun slash verb. I would like a coffee. She would like to read. Negative, subject plus would not, wouldn't, like plus noun slash verb. I wouldn't like a coffee. She wouldn't like to read. Questions: would plus subject plus like plus noun slash verb. Would you like a coffee? Would she like to read? Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the Lingolands channel. See you soon.